Hello and welcome to this LinkedPhone tutorial. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to manually update your availability status in the LinkedPhone app. Your availability status indicates whether you're able to receive business calls. It also informs other team members about your availability. Let's start by understanding what an availability status is and how it works. Your status is shown by the color-coded dot on the lower right-hand side of your profile photo. During regular business hours, your status is set to online automatically, indicating that you're ready to receive business calls. When you're on a call, your status changes to busy automatically, preventing any new calls from being directed to you. When your business is closed, your status changes to offline. While your availability status is typically set automatically, there are situations where you might prefer to set it manually. For instance, when you're in a meeting, at a doctor's appointment, or on vacation, you may want to set your status to offline to avoid being disturbed by incoming calls. Now, let's look at how to manually change your status in the app. Tap on your profile photo in the top right corner of the app. Here, you'll find the option to change your status to either online or offline. Simply select the preferred status. Now that you have changed the status to offline, it will remain offline until manually switched back to online. And there you go. You're all set. From the LinkedPhone team, we thank you for partnering with us